Since the dawn of humanity, we have been searching for ways to heal the sick and improve our health. This quest has led to remarkable discoveries and innovations in medicine. From ancient herbal remedies to cutting-edge gene therapies, our understanding of the human body and the diseases that afflict it has grown tremendously. One of the most important tools in this ongoing journey is clinical research. Clinical research is the engine that drives medical progress, fueling the development of new treatments, diagnostic tools, and preventive measures. It is through rigorous scientific investigation that we can separate hope from hype and determine what truly works in medicine. By carefully studying the effects of new interventions on human participants, clinical research provides the evidence we need to make informed decisions about our health. This essay will delve into the world of clinical research, exploring its significance, the different types of trials, the drug discovery process, and the key players involved. We will also discuss how you can become part of this vital field by participating in clinical trials. Whether you are a patient seeking the latest treatment options or simply curious about how medical advancements are made, understanding clinical research is essential. It empowers us to be informed advocates for our own health and to contribute to a healthier future for all. At its core, clinical research is a systematic investigation involving human participants designed to answer specific questions about medical interventions. These interventions can include drugs, medical devices, vaccines, surgical procedures, behavioral therapies, and changes to our diets or lifestyles. The goal of clinical research is to determine whether these interventions are safe, effective, and improve patient outcomes. Unlike research conducted in laboratories or on animals, clinical research focuses on understanding how these interventions work in humans. This is because what works in a petri dish or in an animal model may not necessarily translate to the same results in humans. Clinical research follows a rigorous scientific method involving careful planning, data collection, and analysis. It often involves comparing a new intervention to an existing standard of care or a placebo, an inactive treatment, to determine its effectiveness. Through this meticulous process, clinical research helps us to identify new and improved treatments for diseases, develop better ways to prevent illness, and improve the overall quality of care that patients receive. In essence, clinical research is the bridge between scientific discovery and real-world medical practice. Clinical research is not just an abstract scientific endeavor, it has a profound impact on the lives of people around the world. The advancements made possible by clinical research have revolutionized medicine and healthcare, leading to dramatic increases in life expectancy and improved quality of life for countless individuals. One of the most striking examples of the power of clinical research is the development of vaccines. Vaccines have been hailed as one of the greatest public health achievements in history, saving millions of lives and preventing countless cases of debilitating diseases. The rapid development and deployment of safe and effective vaccines against COVID-19 stand as a testament to the speed and efficiency of modern clinical research when faced with a global health crisis. Beyond vaccines, clinical research has led to breakthroughs in the treatment of a wide range of diseases, including cancer, heart disease, HIV/AIDS, and Alzheimer's disease. New drugs, surgical techniques, and therapeutic approaches are constantly being developed and tested through clinical trials, offering hope to patients and their families. Moreover, clinical research plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and effectiveness of the medical interventions we rely on. By carefully monitoring the long-term effects of treatments, clinical trials can identify potential side effects or complications that may not be apparent in earlier stages of development. This ongoing surveillance helps to ensure that the treatments we receive are both beneficial and safe. Clinical trials are not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. There are various types of clinical trials, each designed to answer specific research questions and address different stages in the development of a medical intervention. Understanding these different types of trials is important for both researchers and potential participants. One common way to categorize clinical trials is by their phase, which reflects the stage of development of the intervention being studied. Phase 1 trials are the first step in testing a new intervention in humans. These trials are typically small, involving a limited number of healthy volunteers, and are primarily focused on assessing the safety of the intervention and identifying any potential side effects. Phase 2 trials are larger than Phase 1 trials and involve patients who have the condition the intervention is intended to treat. The goal of Phase 2 trials is to evaluate the effectiveness of the intervention and to further assess its safety in a larger and more diverse group of participants. Phase 3 trials are the largest and most rigorous type of clinical trial. They involve hundreds or even thousands of patients and are designed to confirm the effectiveness of the intervention, monitor side effects, and compare it to existing standard treatments. Phase 4 trials are conducted after an intervention has been approved and made available to the public. These trials monitor the long-term effects of the intervention and gather information about its risks, benefits, and optimal use in a real-world setting. In addition to these phases, clinical trials can also be categorized by their design, such as randomized controlled trials, which are considered the gold standard for determining the effectiveness of an intervention, and observational studies, which observe participants over time without intervening in their care. Welcome to a journey of innovation. Over the years, we've seen remarkable advancements that have transformed our world. From the dawn of the industrial age to the digital revolution, each step has been a leap towards a brighter future. Innovation is not just about new ideas, it's about making those ideas a reality. It's about the courage to challenge the status quo and the perseverance to see things through. Think about the inventors and visionaries who dared to dream big. Their relentless pursuit of progress has brought us to where we are today. And yet, the journey is far from over. As we look ahead, we can only imagine what the next wave of innovation will bring. One thing is certain: the spirit of innovation will continue to drive us forward, shaping a world that's ever more connected, efficient, and inspiring. So, let's embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. After all, the journey of innovation is a never-ending adventure, and each of us has a role to play in shaping the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's continue to innovate and create a better tomorrow. In the world of medical research, researchers and participants play crucial roles. Researchers, with their expertise and dedication, design and conduct studies that seek to answer important health questions. Participants, on the other hand, volunteer their time and effort, often motivated by a desire to contribute to scientific knowledge and improve future treatments. Together, they form the backbone of clinical research, driving progress and innovation in medicine. So, you're interested in participating in clinical research. Where do you start? First, you'll need to find a study that matches your interests and eligibility criteria. Next, you'll go through a screening process to ensure you meet the study requirements. If you're eligible, you'll be given detailed information about the study, including its purpose, duration, and any potential risks or benefits. After giving your informed consent, you'll begin participating in the study, following the specific procedures and guidelines outlined by the researchers. Throughout the study, you'll have regular check-ins with the research team to monitor your progress and address any concerns. Finally, once the study is complete, the researchers will analyze the data and share the results with the scientific community. Participating in clinical research is a unique opportunity to contribute to the advancement of medical science. By volunteering, you help researchers uncover new treatments, improve existing therapies, and ultimately enhance patient care. It's a chance to be part of something bigger than yourself, to make a real difference in the lives of others. Plus, you may gain access to cutting-edge treatments and receive close monitoring by medical professionals throughout the study. So, if you're considering participating in clinical research, know that your involvement is invaluable and deeply appreciated. The future of medicine depends on the collaborative efforts of researchers, participants, and the broader community. By working together, we can accelerate the pace of discovery, develop innovative treatments, and improve health outcomes for all. Every study, every volunteer, and every breakthrough brings us one step closer to a healthier, more hopeful future. So let's continue to support and participate in clinical research, shaping the future of medicine together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in clinical research.